Hey guys, my name's Vince. I'm your service manager at Berge VW. I've worked at Berge since 2005. Every day we get flooded with phone calls, questions, and emails. We want to take a moment and we want to hear yours directly. Feel free to leave a comment, leave a question in the YouTube comment box, send us an email, or go to our website. We look forward to hearing from you soon. So how long does the first service take? Well, the first service at Berge generally takes about 45 minutes to an hour. We don't want to rush, we don't want to keep you here all day. We want to take our time and inspect your vehicle. So to be safe, the first service takes 1 hour on average. Intervals for service. Well, we live in one of the hottest places in the world. Sometimes it feels like we live in the hottest place in the world. Unless you come and visit us for a certain time of the year, then you might say we have the best weather in the world. That being said, we recommend servicing your vehicle every 5,000 miles. The manufacturer in your book recommends to replace your oil and filter, inspect your vehicle every 10,000 miles. And that's absolutely correct. However, every 5,000 mile or in between those oil changes, we recommend to rotate your tires, inspect your battery, especially out here in the heat, and check your fluids and most importantly your tires. That's what you're rolling on. What if you're like, I don't drive 5,000 miles a year. I don't drive 5,000 miles in 2 years. There are some people like that. If that's the case, we recommend your vehicle be inspected and serviced at least every 6 months. So to answer the question, your vehicle should be serviced every 5,000 miles. We do get a lot of questions about tire pressure lights. They can be really frustrating, even sometimes annoying, but it's not something you want to ignore. If the temperature drops rapidly, we have a hot summer and we go into a little bit of a cooler winter or cooler fall, it's not uncommon for your tire pressure light to come on. When that does happen, you bring it in, we'll inspect it. The other reason your tire light could come on is you could have a nail or a puncture, something in your tire causing it to leak. If that's the case, you do not want to ignore that. The last thing you want to be is stuck on the side of the road trying to replace a tire. And usually it happens at the worst times. Tire pressure lights are for your protection, they're for your safety. We don't have any appointment necessary. Drive down, come to Berge, we'll look right at it. We'll check your tires, inspect them. If your tires need air, we'll do it, fill it up. If your tires need nitrogen, we do that as well. On top of that, if your tires need replacement, we price match. And we'll make sure that you pay the same price with Berge that you would if you went to, say, Discount Tire. Look forward to hearing from you again. Feel free to leave more comments in the YouTube box. Have a good one.